Doesn't matter how much data we have, when you combine that data with the data of the retailers, for example, which is abundant, now you know the behavior of your consumer within a very, very relevant space.
When you think about, the evolving landscape that we're in today, where data collaboration in a privacy-centric way is becoming more and more important, LiveRamp is that technology partner that can help really facilitate that.
The ability to identify strategic partners that we may not even be thinking about today is unlocked with data collaboration.
How do we leverage both the data that we have as well as the assets from a marketing and a media standpoint to deliver a better tailgating season? And then partner with some of our big CPG partners to bring an NFL player or to do a regional grilling contest. And for us, it fits into that overall member experience so that we can bring more value to the member and obviously fuel the flywheel for the business.